Welcome back, everybody. We're up here ice fishing on 11 Mile Reservoir with our friends Stefan and Ellison and my 3 sons. We're having a blast. We always bring a backup meal, backup food, just in case we get skunked. But Stefan is here. He's the fish catching machine. We caught a ton. We got 5 pike, a monster rainbow. We just filmed a fish taco video. You probably saw that in the last couple of weeks. But get ready, because I picked up some grass-fed organic steaks, some beautiful baby carrots, and spinach. Oh, it's time for ribeyes on the ice. Blackstone Camp Griddle heating up. Couldn't believe these beautiful carrots from Sam's Club. I've been shopping at Sam's Club a long time. I've never seen carrots this beautiful. I'm gonna line these carrots up over here on the end of the griddle. Typically, I don't get overly excited about carrots, but these things look amazing. Carrots are gonna take the longest to cook, so we're gonna start them out. I think I'm gonna move these into one pile. A little bit of water, and straight down with my basting cover. Just keep adding water and steam. Found a little garlic salt in my travel bag. After 10 minutes or so, I'm gonna move the carrots back over here into the corner. We're gonna put them into one line. We'll let all that water evaporate. Over the course of 10 or 15 minutes, the water does its trick. You can see the veggies are getting steamed. They're nice and soft. A little bit of avocado oil in the carrots. I found my Steakhouse seasoning for the steaks. It won't hurt. A little Steakhouse on the carrots. That looks great. Avocado oil, all purpose, perfect for searing up steaks. Steakhouse seasoning. Need to stop because I can smell the carrots cooking. Yeah, look at that. We're gonna give these a little roll. I'm gonna roll them to the other side. Be careful. I'm using my bare hands, just my cooking gloves here on the hot griddle. You might want to use heat-resistant gloves or tongs. Either way, the carrots are looking A-okay. Time to sear the steaks. Let's check out these steaks and see if we're getting a sear. Oh, are you kidding me? Down with my spinach. Of course, spinach is gonna cook down to nothing. It's gonna wilt whatever seasoning you have on hand. I happen to be using that Steakhouse seasoning. Add a little more spinach. Carrots look amazing. I don't want them to burn, so I'm gonna pull the carrots. And that'll also give me enough room to cook all of the spinach at the same time. The steak is finishing cooking. It's still bloody rare. We're gonna bring that up probably to medium rare or medium. Of course, my biggest fear is overcooking the steaks. I don't want to do that, so I think we're gonna pull one and look at it. I'm not much into meat probes. I just like to get in there and look. I'm just gonna cut this in half and see where we're at. Look at there. We're probably just moving from rare up to medium rare. Those are looking really good. So I think I'm gonna err on the side of caution. Gonna give these one last flip and pull that big, huge stack of deliciousness. Pull my spinach, and this is one entire bulk Sam's Club family-sized tub of spinach. You can see that cooks down to nothing. And take a look at that. I'm sure some folks are having some good treats out here on the ice, but I doubt that anybody is eating the way that we're eating. A shout out to my in-laws. They got me this beautiful brand new Razor Max hunting knife for Christmas. Oh man, need to get a few slices of that steak. Look at that, beautiful. It's right where I like it, between medium rare and medium. Look at how juicy that steak is. Oh, so good. I need to get in there and give it a try. Thanks for watching, everybody. What a wonderful day here on the ice in the high country of Colorado with Stefan and Allison. Check them out at Catch in Dinner on YouTube. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get this recipe up for you at blackstoneproducts.com, and make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network. And until next time, Todd, Ellison, Stefan, praise the Lord and pass
the steak.
The steak and the northern pike, because we just caught another big one. Literally, literally the best day of freshwater fishing, arguably, in my life. See everybody next time.